So I ordered a pair of Ray Bans right here online. Got it customized. Got the red case. The boy Hen Dog there. It's pretty cool, just pretty standard. You know, the box. This cool box. With the little cloth to wipe them. Some other stuff. And you know, get out there and leave your mark. Hashtag Ray Ban. It's all that stuff. So here's the shades. Ray Bans. A little dirty already. And I put my name on there. It's a cool feature on the customize. So let's try them all. Let me go get some more light here. There we go. Look pretty fly. I like them. I like them. It's not bad. Just let me know what y'all think. I mean, nothing big. Just I always wanted a red mirror. Never found them in stores, so I had to customize them. But pretty cool. That's how it looks.